Our warm-up activity this session is going to be like what we did last time, but with words instead of pictures. This game is just called Consequences. It's a fun way of writing short collaborative stories. If you have a printer, print out your Consequences worksheet. If you don't have a printer, you can just use plain paper. The worksheet is split into 8 parts and it's broken down like this. First we write down character 1. Then we pass it to someone else who writes down character 2. You swap again and write where your characters met. Then what character 1 said, what character 2 said, what character 1 did, what character 2 did, and the consequence. Let's get started. I'm going first, so I'm going to put down the Easter Bunny as my first character. Now I'll fold the paper over and pass it on. I've got someone else doing the other sections, so the story will be a surprise for all of us. They've put in character 2, so I need to write down where they met. I'm going to put the park. Then we swap again. They have written what character 1 said, so I'm writing character 2's response. They're going to say, "Oh no, I can't believe you said that." Now we both have to put an action in for our character. Mine is, they decided to go home and have a nap. My friend has written the consequence, so now I'm going to unfold it so we can read the story together. The Easter Bunny met a snowman at the park. The Easter Bunny said, "Good morning, friend, it's such a nice day." The snowman said, "Oh no, I can't believe you said that." The Easter Bunny did some star jumps. The snowman decided to go home and have a nap. And they lived happily ever after. Have a go at making your own. You can play it in a big group or just with 2 people. If you want to play it by yourself, you can do the same as we did in the Exquisite Corpse game. Use several bits of paper and write something different on each one, then muddle them up so you don't know which piece of paper says what. Have fun!